today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use calculator in Q&A. Watch the video till the end so that you'll be able to do the following activities by yourself. Before moving on to the video, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel. Okay, now let's move straight into the video. Open your Q&A app, which can be downloaded through App Store. Now on the top side, you can see there are various options such as problem search, one-to-one Q&A, formula search, calculator, timer, and community. To use the calculator here, tap on the option which says calculator. Now this app will be providing you the functions of calculator. You can perform various calculations here, and to see the result, there is an arrow button in the middle of the screen facing rightwards. Tap on it, then it'll tell you if it is true or false, or you can just do a calculation. It may be difficult, then tap on the arrow button right here, then it'll give you the results. And that is how you use calculator in Q&A app. You can also use root or square or anything else like this, cube root or anything in the power. You can also find the value of x here. For example, x plus 2 is equals to 3. Now, the value of x will be shown in the solving answer. So, the value of x is 1 here. And that is all for today. That is how you use calculator in this app. Thank you for watching till the end. If this video was helpful for you, do like, share, leave a comment down below, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll get notified when we post new videos.